How to sell a used chipper. When it comes to selling a used chipper, the best place to do this is on AgriMag. It is advised that as much information is given as possible about the item being sold, and information pertaining to the following points will go a long way in helping you to sell your machine. Sellers must provide all the basic listing information relating to application, make, price, hours of operation, and year. When it comes to providing a detailed description of the unit, sellers should explain the reason for the sale of the chipper and provide information related to its past working life. Additionally, detail its current working condition with reference to the engine and its components, the blade quality, the chipper's capacity, the forward discharge chutes, the controls and safety features, and finally, the unit's general condition and structural integrity. Providing this information to your potential buyer will go a long way in assisting them to make an informed buying choice and an easier sales process for the seller. Sell your farm equipment, trucks, and machinery on agrimag.coza. Visit agrimag.coza, South Africa's leading digital farming and agricultural marketplace.